Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to delete chat history on Deepseek. To delete the chat history on Deepseek, first you have to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will be on to its home page. Now on the top left side, you will see we have two lines. These are, you just have to simply click onto these two lines. Once you tap onto it, you will find all of your chats up there. So if you want to delete any one of these, you just have to simply hold press onto it, and after that these options will come up. Then you have to click onto this delete option, and after that again you have to click on delete, and that chat will be deleted. Even you get this small pop-up on your screen which says delete successfully. So if you want to delete more than one, then you have to repeat the same process on each and every chat, and after that the chat will get deleted. So that's how you can delete chat history on DeepSeek. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video.